This cocktail is called Dreaming In Antalya. Go ahead and put your ice in your mixing glass to start out with. We're going to do 2 ounces of dark rum. Any type of dark rum will do. In they go. Now we're going to do 2 ounces of light rum. 4 ounces of rum all together. That's a lot of rum in a cocktail. Nothing wrong with it. Now we're going to do 2 ounces of Cointreau. I'm going to do 1, just because I don't think my glass is that big. So you can take away or add, depending on how much you like. Cointreau is an orange liqueur. If you really like orange, you can add 2. Now we're going to do some lemon juice. We'll do about half an ounce of lemon juice. There we go. And let's see, shake it all together. Shake it up really good. Your only mixer in there is lemon juice. Get your martini glass out and your strainer. This is what your Dreaming in Antalya looks like so far. Take your grenadine and go ahead and just top it over the top like so. And you are good to go. Cheers.